Vikram is 50, 26 years in IT, director level title. 3 months ago, he was let go, replaced in his own words by somebody half his age earning half his salary. Here's the uncomfortable truth in Indian IT today. 50 is a finish line no one promised you. For a lot of professionals, it's the financially dangerous time zone when children's education, aging parents, and your own retirement corpus is not fully done. All of them come together. In the next few minutes, I'm going to break down this 50-year IT professional problem more in detail and also come up with a solution that I think is very easily accessible to all those who may have to face this. Stay tuned right till the end so that you can benefit from what I'm going to talk about. This isn't actually one problem. It's actually three problems coming together. Let me explain. Job insecurity and aging. Companies are increasingly finding that they are having to replace older employees, especially those with fixed mindset, fixed skill set, with younger, more agile employees at a much lower pay scale. And more importantly, employees who are willing to learn new tricks of the trade. AI and automation is making it easier for younger employees to scale rather than older employees adopting these new technologies. Losing a high-paying job at 50 just hurts. It breaks the peak earning cycle of an individual who is counting on building this for children's education and their long-term retirement. It's really the peak of their career cycle. The second, family and education cost. At 50 is when parents are getting older and your financial security is important to keep them in good health and for their hospitalization expenses. Children are just getting into college and they may need to go abroad or spend a lot of money on their education. So it's really at that cusp that this uncertainty as well comes. So the choice becomes, do you fund your child's overseas education or should you be looking out for your own survival? And that's not a good place to be. Last but not the least, medical costs beyond 50 is prohibitively high and you are getting into a scene where you will need to provide for your own medical and medical insurance premiums. It takes a lot more from your own cash flows. There is, of course, the accumulated PF and your existing fixed income, fixed deposits, which may not necessarily stretch for the next 30 years, 35 years, from 50 to 85, which is your lifespan. So that's the third problem that you will need to face with. So job risks, family cost, health cost, 1%, 1 year, and that's why 50 feels so dangerous. But there is a solution. The solution we're going to look at is 3 Ds: defend, de-risk, and diversify. The first solution is to defend. Even before you get the call, start relooking at your finances. Get rid of all your high-cost loans. Do you have personal loans and do you have home loans, mortgages? As soon as possible, you should try and close it off. It is not a good idea to be losing your job while you have EMIs flowing. And that's a high pressure situation that you would like to avoid. So get rid of commitments, especially loan-based commitments, as soon as one can possibly do. Second, de-risk yourself. Shift your portfolio from aggressive wealth strategies like investing in high-risk investments, equity funds, venture funds, and so on and so forth, and start moving it gradually into assets which are more hybrid in nature or debt-oriented, so that your wealth not only grows, but it starts being able to pay you back a certain amount of money. That's very, very important. Second, you must also look at taking standalone health policies now that you may need to be stepping out of corporate life so that you can take charge of your family's medical insurance need and not having to depend on the corporate that you're currently working on. Last but not the least is diversify. Always remember that you have skills and those skills are valuable. Your 20 years, 25 years of work experience and skills and domain skills that you have developed can be very, very well monetized even outside a corporate job or a corporate career. You have to start thinking about floating yourself as a consultant or joining a consultant firm where you may not need to be full time, but based on consultative assignments, you can still make a tidy sums. There are lots of startups which will need your skills, not full time, but fractionally at various points on a flexible time basis, but may still be willing to pay you handsome. So there are multiple options for you as long as you're open-minded and willing to diversify your source of income. So the key takeaway is 50 years of age in IT is a dangerous period at this point in time thanks to the current economic environment externally in terms of AI, automation. So the three things that will bear high: job, family, health, all of it peak at the same time. Defend your base first, clear your debt, convert your portfolio from a high risk to low, and take an independent health cover. Diversify your source of earnings from one source of a salary to a multiple source of consulting income that can keep you going in the long term. Vikram did not get his job back. But guess what? In a year's time, Vikram bounced back with taking up multiple consulting assignments with few other companies and pretty much got his old salary back. 50 will keep being dangerous for people who wait for a company to decide their next chapter. It doesn't have to be dangerous for you as long as you're willing to follow these steps.